Hello, if you are thinking about getting pregnant in the next 4 to 6 months, then it's very important that your ovulation cycle is functioning well. You should be producing very healthy eggs and your periods should be running on a regular cycle. Your hormone levels should be maintained, and if there is any kind of cyst or blockage in your fallopian tubes or ovaries, you need to keep them clear as well. So, today's session will be very helpful for those sisters who are thinking about getting pregnant in the next 4 to 5 months. We are going to start with a very beginner-friendly flow. First, sit in Sukhasana like this and interlock both your hands. Inhale and look up. Exhale and look down. This is a complete beginner move. Even if you are just starting out, you can do this very comfortably. You need to do it 10 times like this, and every day you can practice this flow for about 15 to 20 minutes or even up to half an hour. I will demonstrate this flow for only 10 to 12 minutes, but if you have more time, you can do more repetitions of the same exercise. So, as you inhale, look up, and as you exhale, look down. Do this 10 times. Then, place both your hands to your sides like this. Inhale and exhale as you twist your spine. Try to look back. 1 second. Inhale, exhale, look to the back side. Inhale, exhale, try to turn all the way back up to 180 degrees and try to look behind you. Keep your spine straight along its axis. Inhale, exhale, exhale, just as I have already told you. If you have more time, you can do more repetitions of these same exercises, which will give you even greater benefits. From there, place your left hand exactly on the left side of your waist, right here. And stretch your right hand upwards. Imagine you are being pulled from the top, as if someone is pulling you up. And again, exhale to the center, inhale as you go up. Exhale to the center, inhale as you go up. Exhale to the center. You need to stretch really well, as much as you can. Keep your whole forearm flat on the mat and look upwards. Exhale to the center, inhale up, and at this point you will feel the stretch. Exhale to the center. Once again, inhale up and exhale to the center. From there, we'll do Sufi rolls. Place both hands like this on your knees. Keep your elbows lifted and active. And we want to give a nice massage to our reproductive organs and the entire lower core. How do we do it? We have to bend down, make a full circle with the body, but take your right shoulder towards your left knee as you exhale, twisting the spine. Then, as you go down, come to the other side and bring your left shoulder towards your right knee. Then come up again. Make sure you are making big circles with your shoulders. So now, inhale, come on. 3, stretch, inhale. Very nice. 4, come on, inhale. 5, inhale. 6. You can do a total of 10 cycles of this. 7, 8, 9, do it really well, and 10. This completes one cycle. Make sure to keep track of the cycles. Now from here, you need to go in reverse. But before going in reverse, we want to add one more exercise in between. We will open both legs like this, stretch them out, and raise both hands up, keeping them stretched. Now from here, what you have to do is fold your right leg without using your hands for support. Fold your right leg using only the strength of your legs, and then, exhaling to the left side, go down. Again, come up, keep your spine completely straight, and switch the position of your legs. You can see, I am not pulling or holding with my hands. You have to change the position of your legs using only the power of your lower core. Then, exhale to the right side, Inhale once and again move forward. These are some exercises you don't have to hold for too long. Inhale, move forward again. You can do this 10 times on each side. Moving forward, always remember this common and important point. When you perform this exercise, you will distinctly feel a good and beneficial stretch specifically in your hamstrings, which are the large muscles located at the back of your thighs. It is absolutely crucial that you do not, under any circumstances, fold or bend your legs during this movement, as maintaining straight legs is essential for achieving the intended and effective stretch. When you feel the stretch in your legs, you should not lift and fold them like this. Pay special attention to this. 1 second, come to Sukhasana. Now we will do Sufi rolls to the opposite side, meaning your left shoulder will go to the right side anti-clockwise, and then you will rise from the other side. Common 1, 2. Friends, this fertility yoga, especially for our sisters who are doing it, fertility yoga is not some big rocket science or a miracle. It's just simple pelvic opening drills which help increase blood flow to your pelvic floor and around your reproductive organs. If there is any blockage, it will get cleared, and this will naturally boost your fertility. Because naturally, we all are blessed with reproductive ability. This isn't some miracle, everyone has this natural reproductive ability within them. We just need to clear any minor blockages, and that's what can make all the difference. Consistency is extremely important here. If one day you work out really hard, go to the gym, run a lot because you are motivated, but then do nothing for the next 3 days, you won't get results like that. Consistency is more important than motivation. Right. So from here, you will sit like this, activating both legs as you can see. My heels are joined together and both toes are balanced like this as I sit. Now from here, there's a really good drill. Now from here, we have to do a really good drill. We need to practice core contraction and pelvic rotation, how to rotate the entire pelvic socket inward. For core contraction, place both hands behind your neck, then do this and push your chest forward, roll your shoulders. I'll also show you the side view so you get a clear idea. You can see it in the side camera. During the inhale, your entire back is bending and your knees are a bit ultra wide. You need to keep your knees wider than normal. Look up during the exhale. What you need to do is not sit down with all your weight on your glutes. Just slightly, maybe half an inch, lift your glutes. Tighten your entire pelvic socket inward like this. You have to tighten your tailbone and glute muscles, rotate them inward, and look inside. During the exhale, in the inhale you sit all the way down, just open up. On the exhale, contract your core. Here, I am not sitting all the way down, I am slightly lifted off my heels and pulling my navel in. The pelvic floor is rotated forward. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Side inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. The orientation of your spine should change very clearly. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. So, is this sequence only for ladies? No, that's not necessary. Our male friends can also do this. Yoga is not different for males and females. Most of the asanas give equal benefits to both boys and girls, men and women. Even sitting right here, if you do the neck D, you can balance and lift both legs up. In this way, join both knees together, keep your balance in mind, and with your feet fully touching, open them outward. one of the most important and most amazing fertility yoga asanas is to inhale while bringing them together. Inhale, exhale together, inhale, exhale together, inhale, wait, exhale together, inhale, wait. Then you will practice Malsana. Keep in mind that if you have time, you should do each move at least 10 times on both sides. I am showing you a little less so that the video can be kept short. Sometimes when the video is long, you get intimidated and don't even watch it. That's the problem with business. If the video is too long, who knows what will happen? So every single move is important. Do more repetitions. This way, you will sit in Malsana. Malsana is an important pose for fertility. For both males and females, just practice sitting in Malsana for a few seconds. There will be many people who have flat feet and can't sit properly, so you can use a brick or a block, and then you have to do some drills in Malsana here. Move your legs side to side in Malsana, raise to the left side, take your left knee diagonally at a 40-degree angle to the side, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. This is a very beginner-friendly step. If someone wants to make it a bit more advanced, then touch the knee down and also lift your hips forward. If you do it like this, then I am covering both variations together, knee down, and you can get up further, and you can open your waist forward. You will get even better benefits. Malsana down, Malsana, and if you want to do it at a very beginner-friendly level. Now, if you are just starting out, then just do this for 20 counts. You have to complete 20 counts of this. Do it 20 times, and if you are still not able to do it, if you can't balance, then place both hands down on the mat, or from here, lift one leg like this. This is just as effective for you. I've shown you 3 variations, one that's very basic, then a slightly more difficult one, and then a bit more advanced for those who are already active. For those with PCOD, this is an excellent exercise. From here, what we'll do is sit in Malsana if needed, sit with a block and stretch your arms side to side. Like this, inhaling, exhaling, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Come on, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You'll do this 20 times as well. And then you also have to walk 20 steps in Malsana. This habit of walking in Malsana, you need to do it daily. Every day, you should practice walking 15 to 20 steps in Malsana. Never take shortcuts with this. It should be a part of your daily routine if you want a healthy pregnancy, a complication-free pregnancy. No matter how fit you are right now, if you want your baby, who is about to come into this world, to be completely fit and healthy, and if you want to avoid any complications during the entire 9 months, then Malsana work, you can avoid them. You have to do this daily. Now, what will you do as the end process? We will finish today's sequence with Malsana. Watch the side view. Twist your right hand all the way and place it behind you. And with your left hand, see, it's about 2 feet behind. Keep looking at your left hand. You have to follow it. Raise your hips. It's like Chakrasana, but much easier. It's not as advanced as Chakrasana. It's very easy. Again, sit back into Malsana. This will be our exhalation. Take your left hand back. Now following your right hand, lift your waist, inhale and come back, exhale into Malsana. Inhale, do it very well today. Exhale. If you practice this about 20 to 23 times, it will start to feel easy. At first, to understand the alignment, you'll need to try a bit. Exactly how far back your hand should go depends on your height. So you need to figure out exactly how far back to place your hand so you can lift yourself up like this. But watch where you are looking, don't keep looking up. The hand you are moving, the free hand, keep your eyes on that hand. When I try to look at it, bringing my hand down from here and trying to watch it, it will automatically be raised. There's a trick to this, look. Right now I'll keep looking at the upper hand and keep pulling it. Very good. Exhale, inhale, exhale. So, do this a total of 20 times, 10 times on each side. At the end, what will you do? Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. If you have time, you can repeat this sequence again. And once, check out the playlist Yoga for Female Fertility. It's quite a long playlist and very interesting. There are similar exercises and asana sequences in that playlist. If you have half an hour every day, what more do you need? Just pick any two videos from that playlist and practice them, and you will have a great sequence for a complication-free pregnancy. If you are even more interested and want to learn thoroughly under my guidance, you can join my live classes. Every week, I conduct 4 live classes for students where I teach excellent fertility yoga from absolute beginners up to the interview date. We've helped create many successful stories all over India and in many other countries around the world, helping to write many happy pregnancy stories. Myself, Guru Man, retired Air Force coach and currently one of India's most successful fertility yoga trainers, thank you very much for being with me. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe before you go. Definitely like the video and keep following for more content like this.